9 models fat tire electric tricycles. Direct from source factory in China. We are a professional manufacturer from Tianjin, China. Specialized in electric tricycles, fat tire trikes and OEM or ODM customization. Factory direct supply, no middleman cost. Electric assist tricycle. Fat tire stable design, cargo and utility use. Custom colors and configurations available. 9 different models for different market needs. OMOD service, wholesale supply worldwide. Stable quality control, fast production time. Competitive factory price. Looking for a reliable tricycle supplier in China? Contact us for the catalog, price list and customization. We support global distributors and importers.